The last thing we need to talk about today is what happens after you select the Publish button. Storyline will assemble the lesson according to the options you selected, create the necessary folders and files, and then save everything to the location you specified. When the process is finished, you'll see the Congratulations pop-up window, letting you know your course is ready. You'll see 5 options available. If you select the blue View Project button, the lesson will launch on your computer and play exactly the way the learner will see it. If you choose Email, Storyline will create a new email message and attach the course as a zip file so you can send it to reviewers. Just remember that this option only works if the zip file does not exceed your organization's email size limits. If you select FTP, Storyline will upload the published lesson and all of its associated folders and files to a File Transfer Protocol, or FTP server. You can also create a zip file on your hard drive by selecting the Zip option. Finally, selecting Open will open the folder containing the published lesson so you can view or manage the files directly.